is a numerical. Find the normality of 0.5 gram Na2CO3 in 200 ml solution. What I do when I solve the numerical is that I take the data of the entire question. Now the data is that we are given with weight of solute, that is 0.5 gram, and we are given with the volume of solution in milliliter, that is 200 ml. Main formula states that normality is equal to weight of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute multiplied by volume of solution in milliliter. Once this is in milliliter, we are going to multiply it with 1000. Now the question arises, what is equivalent weight of solute over here? Because we are known with the weight of solute plus the volume of solution. Okay? So we are going to find the equivalent weight of solute. Equivalent weight of solute, as you can remember, I have already told you in the last video about the formula of this equivalent weight. Now I have written it over here. Equivalent weight is molecular weight of solute divided by charge on cation or anion. Okay, there was my difficulty that what can be the unit of charge on cation or anion. Okay, so if one wants to find the unit of charge on cation or anion, one has to cross over the entire formula. I put the charge on cation and anion over here and equivalent weight over here so that I can find the unit of charge on cation and anion. Molecular weight unit is gram per mole. Equivalent weight unit is gram per equivalent. When I have written it over here in this way, gram per mole multiplied by equivalent per gram. Gram cancel, answer is equivalent per mole. So the unit of charge on cation or anion is equivalent per mole. Okay, we are going to find the equivalent weight. How? With this formula that is written over here. Okay, before that we have to know the charge on cation and anion. Sahi hai? So we are going to dissociate the compound in this equation in this way. Na2CO3 when dissociated gives 2 Na positive plus CO3 2 negative. Okay, so this thing makes us known that the charge on cation or anion is 2. Okay, so technically filling the information in the above formula, molecular weight of solute, that is Na2CO3. Molecular weight is when you are going to add all the masses of this compound, it comes out to be 106 gram per mole. Okay, divided by its charge on cation or anion, it is 2. Sahi hai? So answer comes out to be 53. When it is 53, we know that the charge of equivalent weight is gram per equivalent. So the equivalent weight is 53 gram per equivalent. Okay, adding this, the charge we find it over here, equivalent by mole. Mass is gram per mole. So automatically the unit of equivalent weight is gram per equivalent. Coming to the final calculation of this normality formula, we know that the weight of solute, okay, let's come to the formula of normality. Weight of solute is 0.5 gram, okay. Equivalent weight of solute we have currently found, it is 53 gram per equivalent. Then comes the volume of solution, that is known, it is 200 milliliter. Now we are going to put all these in this formula in this way. And we have finally encountered that the answer to this numerical is 0.047 equivalent per ml. So this is the entire answer of the numerical we have right now done. Okay guys, fact number 1, that the comprehension without analysis is nothing. So here is a homework for you. You will be answering me the answer in the comment section. So the numerical is calculate gram equivalent weight of solute in 5 liter solution having normality of 0.25 N. Okay. So you're going to solve this. It is very easy. You have to use the recipe formula and then find the answer.